Welcome to the ESP website's Building Your Site in 3 Steps tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to launch your website in just a few quick and easy steps. First, let's go to the ESP websites area. For more information on accessing ESP websites, please review the Accessing ESP Websites tutorial. Now, we'll click on the site that we would like to set up, and then click on Go. Let's start with section A. Here, we need to create our domain name and our site title. When entering the site address, remember, no spaces. Also, do not include www in your site address. Best practices for site address would be to include your company name or a variation of your company name. Next, we can create the site title. The site title is text that will appear in the upper left corner of the browser window when customers visit our site. When entering a site title, we want to make sure to include proper spacing and capitalization. For example, ABC Promotional Products Incorporated. Now let's move on to section B, Upload Your Logo. As the name of this section indicates, it is where we can upload our logo. Let's stop and review the requirements for the logo image. Optimal size is 200 pixels wide by 70 pixels high. Logo should be at least this size. Larger logos will be optimized for your ESP website. The maximum file size is 250 kilobytes and should be in a PNG, JPEG, or GIF. To get started, we can browse our computer for our logo. First, we'll click here on the Browse button. This takes us to the Media Manager, which houses all of the images we have uploaded for our ESP website. Then, we can click on the Upload Artwork button and browse to the file's location on our computer. We can then select it and click Open. Please note, this may behave differently on a Mac. Our logo will appear in the library of available images. Holding the mouse over the image will give us the option to select File. After clicking on Select File, we can see a preview of our logo in the Logo Preview box. If we did not have a logo, we could have just typed our company name into this box, which automatically creates a typeset logo. Just like with uploading an image, a preview of the typeset logo appears in the Logo Preview box. Now let's move on to section C, Company Info. Here, we can enter any information about our company that may be missing. We can enter our address, phone number, and email information for our site. All we have to do is fill in the fields with our information. If we want our phone number and email address to be displayed, make sure these boxes are checked. There is also a social networking section where we can enter the URL links to our social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google+, Flickr, or our blog. Now let's customize the site further by clicking on the Next Step button. The Next Step button will enable us to make more customization selections for our site. Section D, Template and Color, is where we can select the look and feel of our site. We can preview a template by hovering over a color. When we are ready to select a template, we can simply click on the color of the template we liked best. Section E, Choose Your Font, is where we are able to select a font type to use on our site. In Section F, Customize Your ESP Website, we have additional options regarding the features we would like to show on our template. There are banners, featured product sets, news and video, and newsletter sign-up. Let's open banners to view our options. We can have the system select banners for us, only show banners from our preferred suppliers, or hand select banners. Now let's look at the featured product sets. Very similar to banners, we have the option to let the system automatically change the set each month, or we can select the set to appear on our homepage. Under News and Video, similar options appear. News articles can be automatically delivered to our site, or we can turn the option off. Under Video Content, we can follow the same process with the added ability to upload our own hosted videos, for example, on YouTube. The last option on this page will enable our site visitors to sign up for a monthly newsletter. If we enable this, ASI will send it out on our behalf. Now let's click on the Last Step button. In Section G, we can upload custom text for our homepage and our About Us page. We can click in the boxes and start typing. ASI's recommended best practice is to edit this text to reflect our business. Section H, Industry News, Video, and Events, enables us to choose if we would like to include a feature page on our site devoted to editorial and video content specifically for the promotional products industry. After making our selections, let's click on the Preview button. A preview of our site launches, and after looking it over, we are ready to go live. To make our site live, it's just a quick click of the Publish button. That's it! Our site is now up, active, and ready for business. Thank you for watching the Building Your Site in 3 Steps tutorial.